Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well. We are outside on my back patio. We are going to be decorating it for fall today and I'm so excited. This took me a few days because I was decorating as the inspiration hit me. So I kind of took my time with it. I have a mix of old and new that I'm going to be using on the back patio, and I just wanted to make sure that it felt comfortable. It felt very Hallmark-esque. It's so important to me because we spend so much time out here, and it was so important that it felt and smelled like fall out here. The purpose of today's video is to get you guys inspired to decorate an outdoor space at your home, give you the energy to dig into those tubs and be creative with everything that you have. I'm excited to jump into this, so let's go ahead and get started. We're starting off with our thriller, which is a purple fountain grass. We're going to be putting them in these pots. These are the pots we're going to be planting up first. We have two. Secondly, we got these beautiful, this is called the autumn fern. This is a beautiful fern. Look at the color on this, you guys. I mean, how gorgeous is this? And I did pick up two mums to add to those pots, and you can see that I got them with the buds still really tight. There are no blooms, and that is exactly how you want to pick these up if you want them to last throughout the season. But here's the color that they are. So you can see they're going to go beautifully with these and these. We've also got the creeping Jenny that's growing in there. And what I bought, because it's more cost effective, is the drop and decorate, and it's full of different plants. So I know we've got the mum here. It's the red mum, and then we have coleus. I'm not sure which coleus this is. We've got creeping Jenny, and then we've got these beautiful little flowers here. So we've got 1, 2, 3 coleus, 3 of these flowers here. We've got 1 mum and 2 of the creeping jennies. This is $22 and so much more cost effective to buy them like this, and then you can split them up in your containers on your patio or your porch. I'm going to be planting up my head planter here. We're going to keep the clematis because they're still doing great. We're going to be removing the palm out of this pot here and planting up this pot and the one over on that side identical. Then we're going to cozy up the seating area, and we're just going to make it all cozy for fall. We have 2 chairs like this as well. We got the palm out. It came out really easy. It wasn't even rooted in, which is wild. Some of my creeping Jenny came out with it. Ernie gave it a little tug and out it came. That makes life easy. All right, let's get started on this pot, I suppose. Oh, this is gonna be gorgeous. These are full sun plants, but this doesn't get that much sun. And I run into that issue all the time when I plant it, and I still plant anyways, and then we just keep an eye on it. Everybody's tucked in. Let me stand back and see how I like it. That looks good. That, except for these tattered leaves, they don't look great. So we'll get rid of those. Yes, I love it. I love those autumn ferns. They're gorgeous. And this mum will bloom next month, and it'll continue to bloom through the season. I think on this one, I'm gonna have to take out some of my creeping Jenny. This one in the back. Maybe I'll reuse it somewhere. Absolutely gorgeous. Put this back a little bit. I bought these coleus, I forgot to show you guys, for the head planter. So we're gonna be doing that. I want to get my head planter done next. Well, actually, I think I should do the one on the coffee table first. That way I can transplant. These are indoor plants. Oh, she looks good. She looks really good. That looks beautiful. She kind of looks like she has a mohawk, but if you look at it this way, but everything will fill in. Looks so pretty. This was definitely a good buy, but you can't beat $22. I would have spent more had I bought all of these separately. Definitely a good purchase. All right, let's clean everything up. Okay, it is the next day, and I'm taking my lanterns apart because they are quite filthy, just disgusting. They've never been cleaned. So we're gonna take care of that before we continue with the decorating.
Don't know how I can explain. 하루 종일 네 생각에 간절해 낯설어. 나 왜 이런 걸까? You're the cure to all my pains. 널 좋아하나 봐. 널 사랑하나 봐. 이제는 더 이상은 숨길 수 없잖아.
Now I've got to do this one, but before, ew, after, so much better.
You're my sunshine after rain. 네가 좋아. 무지개 빈 하늘을 봐. 더 푸르른 하늘과 silver lining in the clouds. 바람결에 미는 너의 향기 햇살 같은 눈밑 작은 점 하나것이 사랑해주지 않고 못 배겨 baby.
Okay guys, here is where we are at. We are ready to decorate. We got our beautiful planters done and they are doing just wonderfully. We got our lanterns all cleaned up and now we just need to bring in all the cozy fall vibes. Look how pretty this moon is looking. Oh, it goes beautifully with this red coleus. All right, I don't know about you, but I'm ready. Let's do this. Okay, I think I decided I'm going to remove this tray for now. We'll see. Oh, this pot is heavy, but I bought some things for the table. I just want to see how it looks without the tray. Give it a wipe down first. We spend a lot of time out here, so for me, it's important that it's cozy and festive. Happy September, by the way. Okay, I got these really cool lanterns, pumpkin lanterns at Walmart. They have these holes in the bottom, so you're able to put a battery-operated candle and then they glow. So they come in 2 different sizes, which are so pretty. And these are the candles that I got. It has a timer, so tonight or this evening I can come out and put the timer on, and every night at the same time they'll come on. So we're gonna go ahead and get these installed. I don't know if you could see that, but they just have a soft little glow. And one of the things I like to have is a real candle outside that echoes the scent of the season. It cozies it up. Now I need to decide if I want this to be a 1-2 grouping or a 3 grouping. We'll leave it like that for now. See how we like it in the end. I think I'm gonna put one of my lanterns over here. I like having the soft glow. One over here. I think I'll put this planter down here. That way it mimics the other side, which now makes this look out of place. This grouping would look better inside. Oops, keep forgetting the candles are underneath there. I have a sprig of fall leaves. I think that might be just what this needs. I like that. Okay, cozy up the furniture now. Lots of throws and pillows and that instant warmth. So beautiful. I got these pillow covers off Amazon and I'm not sure about the blanket, it's very old. But we're going to add the same pillow. I love those pillows so much. Forgot I have these blankets. I don't know why I keep forgetting about these guys. I think I'm gonna switch the other chair to this blanket as well so they match. These blankets were an Amazon find, and if I can link them, I will. But I was amazed at the quality of these blankets or throws, I should say, when I got them. They're so thick and soft and beautiful. That looks cozy, doesn't it? Okay, I decided to make some changes over here. I have this wicker planter that I got at Walmart. It's Better Homes and Garden. It has little feet on it. I just wanted to brighten up the porch, and I don't want to have to worry about too many mums because they need a lot of water. So I did pick up some faux hydrangeas from Walmart, and my idea is to fill this pot up with them and place them down there. So let's see how that looks. Nope, I hate it. Okay, let's try this right here. That looks good against the black. And then I bought these faux craft pumpkins. And the reason why I did that is because I didn't want Pete to think that they were carrots and come eat them. I like that little grouping, that looks good.
Estava a viver, caminhando na vida, sempre chorando por uma nova ferida. Mas como até que de um mato nasce uma flor, muitas vezes é da dor que vem o amor. Pensava que era um engano. Olho seus olhos de luz e vejo um anjo. Esqueci dos tropeços, esqueci das caídas em noites perdidas. Vou encontrar o meu lar. Foi do seu sorriso que encontrei a paz. Alguém que preciso pra não olhar mais pra trás. Foi do seu sorriso que encontrei a paz. Alguém que preciso pra não olhar mais pra trás.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was so much fun doing this. It feels so cozy and warm out here. It was probably the one space that I was so looking forward to decorating because we do spend a lot of time out here. I hope you guys leave inspired and motivated today. That is the point of today's video. I would love to know your thoughts. Leave me a comment down below, and even if you're shy, an emoji works. It helps my channel out so much when you leave a comment. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with those that may enjoy this type of content. I appreciate appreciate you guys, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.